Okay, okay, okay. Interessant. Okay. Default attack. Look, we wanted to tackle that. I forgot. I wrote something different in the title. Maybe I should change now. Oh, whatever. Let's tackle it anyway. Add default attack. Okay, so I need to go to the battle controller. And here we need to do the standard attack. Should this be always physical? I guess we should start with the ability itself to make a, I don't know, neutral. Seven. Neutral. So I need this abstract. No, not the barrier. This one, abstract ability, and ability data asset template. Okay. Abstract ability. What do we call this? Ability neutral default attack. And then we go add template. Is a template. Ability data neutral default attack. shouldn't call this way, I think, but whatever for now. Let's say 10. Does it only do soft damage? If I have it at 0, does it? How much damage does it do? Did I say in fire? .1. I think we always had more heart damage, so I would guess that if this is the divider, then the left side closer to 0, which is 0.1, is the soft damage and 0.9 is the hard damage. So coming to that conclusion, we should do this at 0.7. And 0 usage. All right. So we have our ability. Right, that. Do I spawn it here now? Or do I add it to everyone? When do I destroy these? When do I create these? So this goes to abilities if I'm correct. Then it stays there? If I ever kill it? Odd. What? Oh boy, okay. Clean it ability, so I do clean it up. Why do I have it in the... Why do I have a map for the abilities? No. Cult abilities, I will not be able to find it like that. I think this is code that is not needed anymore. Because I'm creating the abilities at runtime, no? Or am I thinking wrong here right now? Ah, of course I'm thinking wrong because this thing is like the data of the ability. Yeah, written here. It's not the ability itself. I should rename this. Where is our internal? Here. Data objects. This. No, this looks more like it, I think. Of course, we should compile this. You compile everything, and then we can find it. There we go. Use it in two places? I don't think so. If I restart the project now, I would find it in more places. I would assume. So we created on demand, right? Where was that again? Here. Create ability, where was that? Here. And this goes from second or playing ability, also first one. Let's go to the first. That creates it. which will then try to do the ability, which will start the charging. Or do we do it before? Ah, wait, I think that's great. Because we first do the charge, and then we go to our... Where's our listener? Ah, okay. Perfect. So first we look for the MP. And then we create the ability. I guess this one should then return. We don't give it. How can we tell here that it should check for a neutral one? Or make even a special case where it does not look here. I could work with flags. Flags. So we are at type and first modeling ability. Okay. I was thinking maybe I just check the MP again in the creation, but I already checked here and subtracted the MP. So either I don't subtract it here and check at the other side too and subtract it after I create the event, the ability, or I find a way to give this information through to the abstract. No, not the abstract, the get ability data asset. I mean, I could tell the ARPling, or I could give it a bool that indicates he is out of MP for this round. That means every round I need to uncheck it again. Maybe at the cleanup of the ability. Just very, very stupid to do. I of course should not make a variable here. That would be very, very bad. I could make one for the ARPling. Can be set here. Which means if we get here and we find yes, it has no MP, I have to reset that flag again immediately. The charge happens, we wait until the charge is done, then the charge done activates the dispatcher. The dispatcher says to the whatever loop, ARPling ability call loop, that first ARPling ability call loop should be triggered, which then triggers two functions which lead to this one, get ability data asset. I cannot pipe it through because there's a dispatcher. I would need to have a variable. So either the variable is in the battle controller or it's in the ARPling itself, but that flag will be reset after we do the ability, Or we set the flag here, which is no MP. Here is false. Here is true. And then it just sets it every time. So it should be an updated value whenever I change this MP. I have to set that one. But that makes no sense because I could have no MP, enough MP for one ability, but I could still have enough MP for the other ability. So maybe I should work with a flag after all. Like current R-playing MP was not enough for ability flag. Like this, no MP for current ability. Here we say true. Here we say false. And then here can go if and say local element that if current ability no this would be neutral and the other one would be this. And then we would go and do this. Yeah? Like so. And of course could do this just to be safe. Now with this we would go and try to do the neutral elements. Maybe we shouldn't do this. Maybe we should keep this. And then at the creation of the ability, which is create ability. Oh wait, we are doing this already. So we are searching it here. instead of doing that, actually, I would have. I just need a abilities map in the battle controller that one can look up, and I shouldn't create this on the ARPLings. Because this is just information. So maybe the ARPLings creates this map one by one into the battle controller. But I think this thing is getting initialized outside of the battle, no? Here. Maybe I'm wrong, but I'm not actually. This is at the battle group creation. Instead of doing that, maybe I should create it only on demand at the battle group. Would need every single ARPling to go there and look. Initialize internal. We would have to just kick all of this then. And instead have this in the battle controller. Because he also has like... No, it does not. Does this guy have it? Where do I actually know how someone gets attacked? Yeah, attack pattern. Ah, there it is, data table, so yeah. It would be perfect to have it maybe even here and not at the battle controller. But then I would have to manually I could make another battle data table with all the ability data classes. Not the classes, I mean the ability classes. The ability classes would just be here. Where did we say battle group creates it, right? the internal stat, then it does this. So instead of that, I just need the ID. How did we put it into our internal stats again? Not here, right? Or yes, here. We have visual class and we have fire added to that, so we cannot actually do this. We would need to have this map also changed to fire and then the ID of the ability. I think that would make things a little more complicated. And we should keep this but remove this. This should create our abilities anyway into the battle group. So no data table. Okay, let's keep going. Where do we do this? Create. No, I need the... Where do we create that one map? Okay, this one we create way before. What we have to do is we have to create it when we initialize the ARP links here, right? At the prepare. Level, height, out levels, bind, camera, and then? Where do we, maybe it, then the initialize at the prepare here. Create competitors, set competitor slot. Register competitor for accept and waiting. And then, okay. Don't do this. Anything else? Here, Summoner. On line entity slots. Okay. From there, create fighting entities and assign. This is still here, and then create fighting entity goes to the parent. So what we have to do is when this happens, this needs to go to the battle controller in here. And when we spawn it, initialize VE, initialize that, and then also set create ability from create ability data into battle controller map. Will this work? With the ID, we would look for the element right now. Am I over optimizing? I mean, it would be an optimization to not have multiple of the same ability, but is it really worth the refactoring here? Right now, this would go with the neutral element. What we could do is could go here and say that this guy has already one, which is neutral. Neutral. If I do this, do I kill everyone else? Oh. They are just overriding it. It's also not good. If I do another internal one, what happens then? Just test. And then we have it already inside. I can just add more. Okay, then from now on, it would be always in there. That would be a solution for me. What I have to do now is go to all the orb links I have already and set the neutral one inside. Okay, so I don't need to implement anything else, I think. Player doesn't need it. Oh, interesting. The player now has the neutral ability. Of course, get rid of that. Now, let's go. Let's neutral everywhere. Bit new blueprint, that's funny. Why is this... Uh-oh. Uh-oh. What is this? Tomati, Island 3, 2, 1. Player. Go away. Water, earth, air. Eh? How did that happen? Was it because I made a change? I mean, this one works. Now, of course, for the enemy, it will be a little different. That will be an adventure to implement how they will switch from one ability to the other. Oh boy, I wonder if I can pull that off. Okay, so neutral, 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 neutral. Did I... No, no, okay, okay. Go. Okay. And last, there we go. Ah, it goes up. Didn't this one. Why did it go up? Ah, because maybe it is a default and then it says, ah, okay, I see you already there. Up again. Funny, of course. What happens if I get rid of this? And then compile, well, then it doesn't happen. Fine. All right. Okay, so we have the neutral in. How would we go and test? We could go to Crystal and then look if they break through. Oh, wait, how much MP does Crystal use? This. Oh. It wasn't that. either though. Must be here. Usage 0, so it's no problem for now. We'll just go on and make more walls without problem. But these guys can only make it 3 times, 2 times, and only shoot 2 times. So they attack the Shroomy. Yes. This guy. He has 12 heart damage. Second time. And now, since they are using their default attack, they should go through the shield and be able to hit our Shroomy. Oh. So what happens here, I wonder? Not find neutral the ability map. Why did I miss type it? Could have happened. Elements. Okay, that's not it. Oh, it looks for the element fire. That's the problem. You would say that, but for the charge, we don't even have to do it here. Oh, yes, we have to do it. Oh, what's going on? Wait. Go here. Ability. So it is that. Wait, we do this multiple times, yes? I cannot do this like that. Fuck. God damn it, this goes to... I mean, this is probably not the issue, but this one gets fired multiple times, so at least at the second attempt this will not work. And it already failed at the first. I would need to do this at the end of the whole thing. Oh my god, this is so messed up. And then he even couldn't do this because he didn't find it. If I do a breakpoint here, we need to be able to see in this one that there is neutral inside. At least. It went from here, for sure. And this guy... Only fire in it? Okay, this you have to explain to me how it could not create it here. Now this is really interesting. How did that happen? First the abstract. Internal. This is the stats. I need the abstract internal stat object, so it is that. Okay. We open and go to initialize. Let's try again. Oh. Of course. I have to redo all the ARPLings again. Oof. Is this the way I want to work? So we have to get rid of all of this again and recreate them. So we go here, delete all, apply yes. Same goes to these guys. Bye bye. Yes. Then we go to our swarm. The battle group is not there, it's fine. We say we add. Do the same here. Add. Save. Go back to our test main. Play. Now it should work again. Alright, we go to Bristol. So, it did work at the creation, I think, but it will now fail for this. The first one would work, but the second one cannot work because this gets fired. And this is for... How should I do this? I can get rid of this and it will work perfectly fine, but now this variable will be misleading. So what I should do is get rid of this ability, this flag, and do the flag for the ARP links instead. That's a better way to do this. The ARP link needs to get set. This is a fighting entity object. Huh. Do I cast this to Orbling? I mean, I have to cast abstract Orbling, or just Orbling. Okay, and then I have to go to this class. Away all of this. Which is somewhere here, right? Not, or is it fighting or playing there? We can now go here. Say no MP for current ability flag. Flag like this. And then can set flag. Like this. Maybe also to do this, print, just to be sure. Error expected Orbling in battle controller get Orbling ability type. Okay. This, put it there. Set flag. This is true. Here. Goes in here. This goes away. So this goes here. And there we go. The flag is set. Now we can get the flag here. If this is... It is not cast or playing. And then flag. Print. Error. Expected. No. What, how did I write it in the other? Yeah. Expected ORPLing in Battle Controller. Get ability data asset. There we go. And now I could just go and set flag. Say no. Now this should work. Let's make a little print just to be sure with a warning. Yes, no MP and works. And then let's see if it can actually find the class and so on. Crystal. So first is done. Second, they still have MP left. And now it should trigger our warning. Yes, there we go. And our little one needs to get attacked. This guy has 12. I don't remember how it was when we started this testing. Let's see if this number rises. Apparently is not strong enough or is not hitting. Let's see if the soft damage gets higher. That is a higher number. Roomy. One shroom. Is this the shroom? Or that's 2 damage. Well, I mean, I could just raise the damage temporarily and then see if it works. Abilities. Charge. Could also just change the formation to something weaker. Assets, neutral. Die. Let's say 1000, so like an overkill attack. Like this. Right. And 12. There we go. Goes through. And it's dead. It was too strong. Oh, I still need to handle that. If someone is dead, he cannot attack. Okay, so let's reset the normal attack value. We know it works. Right. Go to there. Ability. Attack default is done. Resurrect we can look into. Add charging, multiple add status. We need to add one more ticket, which is do no ability when dead. But I guess I will just call it a day for today. I'm extremely exhausted. Not from this, but from my full-time job. Whatever. So I guess we should tackle this next time, and then maybe on top of that we can do a resurrection ability. I should change the title of this stream. So, because we did not do the resurrection. And then we will go for the rest, I guess. I have to memorize that we have to do this. I can write it next time. Anyways, guys, thanks for tuning in. Thanks for the support. And I will see you next time. Bye bye.